and it's 5 o'clock Saturday evening. I'm supposed to have this closet video up for you guys. I woke up on like Thursday and I slept wrong and I hurt my back and my neck so freaking bad. I don't have a good like chair for work, so it's a wooden chair and I need to get a new one, but I just like never think about it. Anyways, my back was still killing me. It still hurts a little bit, but it is a lot better. Like I couldn't even turn my head. So I am just gonna like reorganize my closet, just make it look pretty, and I'm gonna take you guys along for that ride. Look at how, I don't know, I just like, there's 4 jackets right here, literally. And then my freaking, oh my God, my apartment's a mess. But I need to make it look nice and pretty. The lighting in here is so bad. So here's the deal. I'm going to pop on a movie and I'm gonna put you guys into a time lapse, and I'm going to take all of my clothes out of my closet. And then I'm going to reorganize it by color. I'm gonna try my best. Take all my shoes out of my closet. For the sake of time, I'm not going to try on every single pair of shoes that I have. These are the first shoes that we're going to talk about. These are my Air Force Ones. I mean, I'm going to keep them because they're a nice white sneaker and I like the crystals. They're Swarovski crystals. I need to clean them so that they're nice and white and sparkly again, but yeah, I'm going to keep these for sure. The next pair of shoes are these Converse, and honestly I've only worn them like once, maybe twice. I don't know where the other one is because there's a huge pile of shoes right here. Converse are my favorite shoes and I think they're really practical and comfortable, perfect for like running errands and stuff like that. When I find the other one in this pile, oh, found it. So we're gonna keep these. I'm gonna try and do this as fast as I can, hopefully in like 5-ish minutes. I really hope you guys can't hear my TV. I have these shoes, they're Pumas. I'm gonna keep them. Also like not really worn, so I'm gonna keep these Adidas, of course. I'm also gonna keep these black Adidas though because it is a different vibe than the white Adidas. I think I'm gonna get rid of these. I've only worn them, well actually I used to wear them like a decent amount for dance, but I don't wear them anymore, and they're called the Nike Renew. I also don't like them because when I would wear them for dance, like there is not really enough support within the ankle with this band, and I don't know if you can tighten it or not. It's really easy to roll your ankle in these shoes is the point that I'm trying to make. I'm gonna keep because they're so freaking cute. Also barely worn. I mean, I don't know what kind of material they are, but these shoes are fire. Like they're so freaking cute. Yeah. I'm gonna get rid of these Converse. I don't know where the other one is for this one, but these are for, oh my God, that is absolutely disgusting. That is absolutely disgusting. These are for raves, okay? I only wear these to raves, nothing else. They light up on the bottom, they're LED. So I am gonna be keeping these. I know most of my shoes I am gonna be keeping, so let me just go like fast forward through this part. Almost 7 o'clock. I need to hurry. These hooks on Amazon, right? And I want to use them to hang up my shorts at least. I don't know what I'm going to do with my skirts. I need to buy hangers from Amazon to hang them up, but I am going to hang my shorts on the hooks. Yeah, and we'll go from there. Let's see. Oh my God. I forgot about all the shoes I have right here. How do you guys think that looks? I don't know. I'm just trying to get rid of this thing, you know? I don't want it in here anymore. I don't want to have to move with it. I just don't want to deal with it anymore. So, okay, I really need to hurry. I want to have everything done by like 8 p.m. So I need to start hanging my clothes up so that I can get some more room in my room to push this out. And I still need to set up this whole area, which hopefully is only going to take me 30 minutes. And I honestly already did it. I had footage, but I didn't like the way that it turned out. So I think I'm going to put the shoes, the extra shoes that I have, just up there in that corner. And then I'm going to actually do this area right now while I'm in here. That way you guys can see it without all of the clothes and stuff. And then I'll have that part done because that's going to be all my jewelry and stuff like that. I'm going to put all my crop tops, I think, into the second to last drawer there on the ground. You know what I mean. So it's literally 7:30 p.m. and I still need to hang up all of my clothes and be done by 8 p.m. So let's get it. So my phone died and I had to keep going. So pretty much everything is hung up. But right now we're gonna take this thing out, and then honestly, I'm not gonna vacuum it tonight because it's really late already. Well, it's 8:30. I guess it's Saturday. I don't know. But let's get this taken out of my room and I don't see any scratches being made, but this is why we put the extra marks on our things when we move in, because of times like this. So this is gonna be taken to Goodwill tomorrow, along with all of the clothes that I'm donating. But all of these hangers are about to go into this box here because I see no point in letting them just sit out and take up space. I'm gonna prop you guys up. But yeah, so then I believe we'll be pretty much done with the closet, and I'll show you guys. I'm sorry you can't see me right now. I think we're gonna put this up. Hold on. Here's the sitch with the closet, yo. So up there, I have extra hangers. I have like beanies and scarves. I have rave clothes and extra stuff from like the closet organization stuff that I got. Then I have my dresses and pants, dresses, long skirts and pants hanging right here in this area. And then I bought this organizer on Amazon, okay? And also, like, before anybody comments or says anything about me throwing the, oh my god, my extensions are nappy. Before anybody comments and says anything about me mistreating these bags, I'm pretty sure they're all fake. Like, I don't know which ones are real and which ones are fake. Then I have, like, whenever I get more shorts, I'm gonna obviously hang them here. Skirts and stuff, short sleeve tops, body suits over there, and then I have all of my jackets, cardigans, long sleeve shirts, sweaters, and then like pullovers all the way over there. And then on this side, I have all of my hats hanging with these hooks. Just my suitcases, and then the box for my watch winder. And then if you guys don't know what a watch winder is, this is a watch winder. You just flip a switch and it winds your watches. But it's really for like automatic watches like Rolexes. I got it for this guy that I was seeing. Things didn't work out between us, so I was like, I'm gonna keep it because I wasn't able to return it anymore. Then here I have like all of my sports bras and like regular bras stored, and I'll also have everything linked down below for you guys. I have like I just threw these skirts in here so that it would look pretty when I film right now, but I have my lingerie, my pantyhose or tights, and then bikinis here. And then down here I just have some folded shirts. I'm just going to be keeping my socks right here because I don't really know where else to keep them right now. I don't have a spot for them, but I need them readily available so that I can get socks. So in this drawer, which I have all of my shorts, like pajama shorts or like workout shorts, and then I have leggings, and then I have like joggers, I guess they're called, like Adidas joggers. I have all of my crop tops in here. Holy cow, so many crop tops. I will have everything that I got to organize my closet linked down below. I'm gonna link it, but I don't recommend this earring holder. It's really cheaply made. It already broke. Get this closet organization video edited, but I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that like button down below and that subscribe button. If you didn't, you know, don't be afraid to leave me a comment down below letting me know what you didn't like about it, because that helps me learn, that helps me understand what can make my videos better for you guys. So yeah, I hope I see you guys in the next one on Tuesday. It's gonna be an apartment tour, and I will see you then. Bye.